Hey, what's up everyone? If you're looking to build boulder shoulders, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you my top 5 gym exercises that will give you that muscle pump right where you want it. Let's dive in. First up, we have the overhead press. This compound movement targets your deltoids, triceps, and the upper chest. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, press the barbell overhead, and feel that pump in your delts. Next, we've got lateral raises. This exercise isolates the lateral head of your deltoid, giving you that rounded shoulder look. Keep your arms slightly bent and raise the dumbbells to shoulder height. Feel the burn in your side delts. Third on the list is the Arnold press. Named after Arnold Schwarzenegger himself, this move combines a shoulder press with a rotation. It hits all 3 heads of the deltoid. Start with the weights in front of you, rotate, and press up. Trust me, you'll feel it. Fourth, we have the face pull. This exercise is excellent for your rear delts and upper back. Use a rope attachment on a cable machine, pull towards your face, and squeeze those rear delts. It's a game changer for shoulder health. Finally, let's talk about the front raise. This move targets the anterior deltoid, giving your shoulders that full, powerful look. Grab a pair of dumbbells, lift them straight in front of you to shoulder height. Feel the pump in your front delts. So there you have it, folks. Incorporate these exercises into your routine, and you'll be on your way to building those boulder shoulders. Remember, form is key. Keep pushing and stay strong. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Catch you in the next one.